In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete reviews on Booking.com. If you've previously left a review on Booking.com and want to remove it, the process is fairly straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact path on the website so you can find your review settings quickly and manage them with confidence. To begin, open your web browser and go to Booking.com. Make sure you're on the official website and that you're signed into the account you used to leave the review. This is important because your reviews are tied to your personal account, so you'll only be able to access and manage reviews that were posted from that specific profile. Once you're on the Booking.com homepage, look toward the top area of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is the main entry point to your account settings and activity. If you're not already logged in, the site may prompt you to sign in before you can continue. Just complete that step and return to the profile menu. After opening the profile menu, click on My Account. This will take you to your account dashboard, where Booking.com stores your personal booking information, preferences, and other account-related options. If the page takes a moment to load, that's normal, especially if you have a longer account history. From your account page, look for the option called My Reviews and click on it. This is the section where your submitted reviews are organized. Booking.com allows guests to manage their own reviews through this area on the website or in the app, so this is the place you'll want to visit whenever you need to review, update, or remove feedback you've posted. Once you're in the My Review section, you should be able to locate the review you want to delete and follow the available on-screen option to remove it. Take a moment to double-check that you're selecting the correct review before confirming any action, especially if you've reviewed multiple stays. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that reviews on Booking.com are also archived automatically after a period of time, so older reviews may no longer appear in the same way. Also, this process applies to guest reviews under your own account. If you're a property owner trying to remove a review, that typically follows a different process through the property management side of the platform. And that's it. That's how to find your reviews and delete them on Booking.com.